Hey, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is our J Delim of Electronics 101. If you have a damaged motor, you are lucky because this video teach you how to repair a damaged brass motor. Don't skip until the end of this video. After testing since no sign of rotation, we need to open it to see the possible damage. Here I'm using a small flat screwdriver to detach the plastic cover of the motor. And I found out one of the brass is broken, so we need to replace it to work again. But it is very difficult to find one, so we need to improvise. So first thing to do is to remove first the broken brass, so that we can replace it later. Then I take a copper wire from a broken electric fan, or you can buy it under $50. Since it is covered by varnish, we need to remove it first by using a cigarette lighter and a knife cutter. Then we have to insert it where the copper brass place we removed a while ago. And it's something look like this. Then we are going to solder it to the motor terminal. Then after soldering, we are going to test the connectivity by using an analog tester. And it works as you see the video. Then do it to the other side too. And I cut the excess wire using a small wire cutter, or you can use a nail cutter if you don't have a wire cutter. But before placing it back, adjust first the spacing of the copper wire, cause it needs to contact it to the stator. Then it's ready to put it back and insert it slowly so that the copper wire will not loosen. Then we are going to place it again in the board to test it if it will work. To test, I place a small piece of electrical tape to show you the rotation. Wow, it works! Thank you for watching, but before leaving, please subscribe my channel and share my videos on Facebook. Bye-bye!